This is what they're now doing to humanity, dehumanizing people. Brutal management methods and fear can dehumanize people. They do this to prisoners. That's why the police are always asking people about their mental health issues. They want to take you away. Start this dehumanizing process by drugging you, making people stupid. To deprive someone of human qualities, personality or dignity, such as to subject someone to conditions or treatment that are inhumane or degrading. Well, mental health patients get treated like this. You treat people with respect, you get it back. You treat them like animals, you strip search them, you dehumanize them. You lock them up, don't feed them. You're going to get all that back. This is what our government is now doing to humanity. A constant bombardment of dehumanizing, insulting them, making them do things that aren't human. Wearing a mask is not normal, or on the back of a hoax. Especially in Australia, where I live, and I see this for myself, over 90% of COVID-19 deaths come from nursing homes. People who are sick and already dying. You don't go from a nursing home and buy a new house and move in and start a life. You go from nursing home to your grave. And they're using the deaths. 2 cases in Victoria this morning, no deaths, and they're still locking this whole country down, especially Victoria, where they copped it worse, Victoria, Australia. But Sydney's still the same. People are living in fear. The government have completely changed our perception, our consciousness now, and people are now scared to be near another human. They have dehumanized the population. Who's to blame? People are, for listening and obeying the government's bullshit.